Hi guys, another vlog, another day. Meron na naman tayong pupuntahan. Punta tayo ng Newport, Manila sa Nikkei. Tara, silipin natin. Biyahe tayo guys. Ito, medyo maluwag yung daan. Dito pala kami dumaan sa C5 para mas madali, hindi kami dumaan sa McKinley. Hapon ba to guys? So walang traffic masyado. Trending ko rin kasi, kaya sobrang linis nung daanan. So dito na kami sa may malapit sa NAIA. Siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes dito na kami sa main Newport.
Don't need that context. Keep walking, keep walking. The path is not too late. Keep walking. Oh, keep walking.
Ito na, pakaanan na kami. Bali ito yung side ng Newport, Manila. So sa bandang kanan ito yung parking nila. So, laking pinagbago ng Newport.
Used to turn around,
Cigar bar.
now I'm learning silence.
Dito pala, ang dami ka palang makikita ng high-end na
Every
restaurant
step I'm
dito.
taking leads me further on.
Siyempre, connecting yung Newport, Manila tsaka yung
Is
Hilton.
almost gone. Keep
So
walking,
talagang combination tong place na
one
to.
foot in the next.
Iba't
Keep
ibang
walking,
high-end talaga na store ang
don't need
makikita
that
mo.
context. Keep walking, keep walking. The path is not too late. Keep walking. Oh, keep walking, keep walking.
Ganda pala ng mga bulaklak dito.
Keep walking,
Pa-picture tayo.
keep walking.
Dito rin sa site na to, makikita mo yung restaurant ni Gordon Ramsay. So papasok tayo dyan. Pag kumanan tayo,
Now,
makikita mo na yung store na yun.
I've got places waiting, better days to come. Steady in my breathing, steady in my pace. Forward is the only direction I will face. Listen up, they talk, but I ain't
Ito
gonna
pala yung
stop. The
connecting
words
nila
bounce off me while I
ng
rise to
Hilton
the
tsaka
top.
ng
You say I
Newport.
can't make it, watch me prove you wrong. Build my own path,
bali, papasok na
stay
ulit kami
strong.
sa Newport.
Critics try to break me, but I break through walls. Every step I take, yeah,
Para
I'm standing
makita namin
tall.
kung ano
Got my
naman
own
meron
vision,
dun sa
got
loob.
my own mission. Your doubt feels my fire, as to my ambition. So keep talking while I keep on walking. My success will do all the talking. Head high, stride right, future's looking
Pababa na
bright.
tayo ng
This journey's
escalator.
mine and I'm doing it right.
Ito
Keep
yung
walking,
second floor.
keep walking. One
So
foot
dito
in
mo
the
malolocate yung
next.
Nikkei Robata.
Keep walking, don't need that context. Keep
Dito pala sa kanan guys, makikita mo yung restaurant na Wolfgang. Dito sa bandang kanan na yan. Lapit pala sa Bodejo. Then, Panam. So paglagpas mo dyan, nakikita mo na yung Nikkei Robata. Hi guys, andito na tayo sa Nikkei Robata, Newport. So, para masulit na natin.
wind is blowing through our head, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night. Tonight. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky.
Pag-upo pala namin, bigla in-assist na kami ng service dito. So, binigyan na kami agad ng menu. So, syempre, silipin natin muna yung menu. Tingnan natin kung okay ba yung mga pagkain. Si White pala yung unang pinapili ko ng pagkain.
para mas makapili siya ng mga gusto niya.
Then soda water. Then sa Okinawa naman, Trickleberry Strawberry Lime Juice. Pero ito ma'am, new specialty drinks. Would you like to try those? Okinawa din.
While waiting sa food, kwentuhan muna kami ni wife. 15 to 20 minutes pala yung food processing nila.
It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Now we're
Meron din silang complimentary chips. Tapos, yung dip nila ay coriander aioli. Ayun. So guys, tikman natin yung chips. Masarap siya, crispy yung potato chips.
let's light up the sky.
Si YP umorder pala ng mocktails. Try niya yung Japanese Okinawa.
Let's light up the sky. Light up the sky. Let's light it up. Come on, light it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's light up the sky. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky.
Ako naman nag-start ako ng white wine. Tapos yung red wine ni Mrs. Akin din yun. Kasi magkasake sangria daw siya mamaya.
Sarap siya.
Light it up, light it up, light it up. Let's light up the sky.
Okay siya. Sweet wine.
First course pala namin is yuzu prawns. Nasunda ng cake and ears.
Amazing.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night. Tonight.
Grabe, first course pa lang guys. Ang sarap na. Sobrang init tong yuzu prawns. Talagang makikita mong fresh pa yung pagkakaluto.
Now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
Serve din siya with crispy nori crackers. Sobrang crispy rin. Nag-start na rin pala magdatingan yung mga main course namin. So, ayan lahat nung mga in-order namin. Kusiyaki platters, pollo anticucho, gyoza, seafood chahan, then curry udon.
And we can run like tigers underneath the sun. So the night is young.
Guys, kumpleto na yung mga pagkain natin. So, kain muna kami.
sir, excuse me, how's everything, sir? How was the food and the service so far?
It's very good. Masarap siya, lahat masarap. So, maganda rin yung service kasi nag-check pa kayo.
It's our pleasure to be at service.
Thank you, Sir Andrew.
So for now, sir, please enjoy your food and if you need anything, let us know. Thank you, ma'am.
Guys, with white wine. Try natin. Panalo. Sarap. Lagyan naman natin ito ng red wine. Wala tayong pampira na ito Puro pula. Sarap. Masarap din yung combination. Hi guys, ito yung yung team ng Newport. So, galing, sarap ng pagkain nila, sobra. So, yan.
Guys, overall nag-enjoy tayo sa pagkain. It's Japanese Peruvian Sushi Bar or Batayaki. Makikita natin to sa Newport, Manila.